Hi there. In our last section, you learned how to define a complex number and how to represent a complex number on the graph. In this section, you are going to learn about equality of complex number, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of complex numbers. You will also learn different properties of addition and multiplication of complex numbers. So let's begin. Equality of complex numbers. Two complex numbers z1 equals to a plus bi and z2 equals to c plus di are called equal if and only if a is equal to c and b is equal to d. In other words, we can say that two complex numbers are equal if the real part of first complex number is equal to the real part of the second complex number, and imaginary part of first complex number should be equal to the imaginary part of the second complex number. And if that's the case, then two complex numbers are equal. Let's consider an example to understand the equality of complex numbers. So here's example. Find the value of unknown if two complex numbers are equal. Z1 equals to 3 plus 5i and Z2 equals to a plus bi. So as you can see, it is given that Z1 equals to 3 plus 5i and Z2 equals to a plus bi. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the basic definition of equality of complex numbers to solve this example. So if we do that, we will write Z1 is equal to Z2. So we will write 3 plus 5i is equal to a plus bi. And we got it from here and here. If we compare both the right and the left hand side, we will write a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. And this is how we will use the equality of complex numbers to solve problems.